Bijou, is that fun house?
I use that chalk.
Oh, there's even a zoom.
Okay, I'm dreaming. Still can't get rid of that one OCD thing. But the thing I still get up in the middle of the night sometimes to wash your feet. Wash my It happens at least 3 times a week. In the summer, more than in the winter. In the summer, is it like that? Oh no, I need to have my feet open and clear.
Hi, Georgie. Hi.
I usually do it in the morning.
Hi, cutie. Hey, Georgie. Bijou, is that your little cousin Georgie?
Oh, Bijou!
Bijou.
You got another outfit on.
Do you have a stroller?
Tomorrow, you guys are going to pick blueberries? Blueberries? Where? There's all sorts of blueberry farm. I haven't been yet this year. Oh, wow.
I would love to.
There's some
But
why don't you meet us for lunch at the ranch? We're going to go have lunch at the ranch with Dad Chuddy. Okay. And then maybe we could go from there. Okay. What do you think?